Hey guys, it's Sarah from Ensign Insights. So you may have seen my other map video where I made this on a poster board with a chalk marker, and so then I digitized it, and this is just printed out. I downloaded the file on Office Depot and then they printed it. It was $3.50, I believe. Not expensive at all. I mean, you can kind of see some lines in it. It's not the best quality, but it's perfect for that kind of price. That's all I need. So this kind of map would be perfect for tracking the states you've lived in or the states you visited. What I'm going to be doing with this one is tracking my Etsy orders, specifically where my book has gone, Fearless Lettering. So I printed out this map small just to practice, and I colored the places where it's been. So now I'm ready. I have a huge one and it's up on my wall above where I package my orders so I can see it. If you want the digital version of this map, I will link to it. It's in my shop. So the chalk markers that I'm going to be using are Kassa liquid chalk markers. They look like this. This is a brand new pack. I have not tried these before, so this will be an experiment. It comes in silver, gold, and black, this pack. They have lots of different colors, but this is the one that I'm gonna try today with this. So I'm going to mark in gold the states that have a physical book. I'm going to mark in silver the states that only have a digital download, and then I'll leave the ones blank that don't have the book at all. So let's do this. Okay, so a couple things. Don't you guys love how South Carolina is like perfect heart shape? These are awesome. I am excited to try them on actual chalkboard because I have loved the white and colors chalk markers for a long time. So it's super exciting that they have gold and silver now. And it looks like I only have New Mexico left. So I guess I need more friends who live in New Mexico.